At FedEx, we deliver more than packages. We deliver possibilities. We deliver connections. We deliver brighter tomorrows. And through FedEx Cares, we're making a difference. When the world needs us, we're ready to help. Delivering for good means providing hope when it's needed most. From transporting aid during disasters to helping animals in crisis, we step in with support and action using the power of our network and people. Every shipment we make carries more than supplies. It carries the message, you're not alone.
You know, everybody's working together, everybody's understanding, and just very appreciative. It's part of the reason why we do it, you know?
An idea is just a dream until someone believes in it. Empowering entrepreneurs means giving small business owners the resources, training, and opportunities they need to thrive. From mom and pop shops to startups changing the world, we stand behind the innovators, the dreamers, the doers, because their success is our success. The decisions we make today impact the health of our planet. That's why FedEx is committed to advancing climate solutions to build a more sustainable future. Through initiatives like Picture Proof of Planting, we encourage our team members to help restore nature, one tree at a time. And we support groundbreaking research by world-class scientists to deploy carbon removal technologies at scale. No one should have to struggle alone. Engaging people and communities means standing beside those in need, lifting them up, and opening doors to new opportunities. A coat, a meal, a mentor, a new job. We share our skills, lend our time, and show up for our neighbors. These aren't just acts of kindness, they're commitments to building stronger communities. With FedEx Cares, every delivery is a promise of hope, resilience, and a better tomorrow.